Good morning!
Top of the morning.
We are taking a walk. We're walking down to the beach and then we're gonna go up to our friend's orange tree farm. What?
It's just flies.
Oh.
Love bugs.
We are learning that there's a lot of different bugs here in Hawaii because we both have mosquito bites now. Taylor's mosquito bite count is 2 and my mosquito bite count is 6. Yeah, they're all over my legs and they're giant. They're like the size of a quarter. Okay, we're gonna show you guys the beach.
Hello, Taylor here.
Kiara here.
How's it going?
You know, I'm in Hawaii, so I'm gonna say pretty good.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Plants here are just way better than the plants that we have.
That's just so pretty.
I also look really pale right now, but my stomach is tan. Like tan. Taylor's really tan. She's also burnt too. I'm also very burnt. Look at her neck. My neck is really. Look at her neck. Oh, you can't see it.
I feel like I need to change my pants because we got wet.
Yeah,
I'm feeling.
We were walking by the beach and then all of a sudden a wave just crashed onto it and just splashed all over us. It was wonderful. Refreshing. Try it. I'm excited. This is the trip of Taylor trying new things. You've tried so many new fruits so far.
So I just bite right into it.
Yes, it might be juicy inside though. Is it good?
It was so sour, but it's super good.
I'm gonna try it. It is sour. It's good. That is such a pretty view. That is so pretty.
When the stars glow bright, the summer's old. In the misty bright moonlight, I were told. When the storm is raging in your head.
See that down there? Taylor and I did all of that. We literally moved all that from this tree. We maybe weren't expecting this. I think I tripled my mosquito count.
Where my legs right now, they're
We're feeling good. We're feeling good. Okay, we have an official mosquito bite count for you. I'm at 25. Taylor's at 4. Needless to say, we got attacked a little bit here. Oh my god, another one was biting me right as we spoke. We got some really cute pictures just a second ago. We went into someone's driveway and took some, so we're gonna insert them right here. We have the luau tonight. Right now it is 1:45, so we're probably gonna head back soon or get food and then shower. We're in the car. Wondering where we are. To the luau.
In the misty bright moonlight, I were told.
We're here. We made it to the luau. Why do we look tan right now?
really don't know.
We're really not this tan.
It's like the sun-kissed glow.
Yes, it is. Show Taylor's beautiful headpiece. I'm gonna do a close-up.
Oh, there we go.
And then this is mine.
But they hide all the monsters.
Yeah, are you getting eaten? Kiara's
Yeah,
getting eaten. I'm getting nervous about it because I don't want to get mosquito bites. I have so many already. I have no idea where we're going. This is so exciting now. Oh, look at that. Someone's calling me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Morning guys, it is Wednesday. I'm here with T1. She's taking a photo and we're trying to find a good spot to snorkel, but we just found like a really rocky area. It's really cool in here. I'm gonna show you guys. It's so pretty. And then the water's down there. All right, we got ourselves a parking spot. We got our goods. Let's go this way.
I can touch a stream of gold above, breaking through with hope of light enough, giving peace of mind to those.
Cheers. Shout out to Doug for getting us some smoothies. Yep. While we nap on the beach and read. Oh, he got nervous. We are about to go snorkeling. Where's the food? Whoops. We're in this beautiful oasis with Taylor. My dad's way over there. I can't snorkel, so that's really fun. I need like a floaty thing or calm water. We had a nice day in the ocean. Now we're checking out some caves. It goes way back. So quiet. It's quiet. It's beautiful.
And I am above, I feel above. Oh.
We just watched a chicken murder. I just saw the feathers come up and I was like, no! It was crossing the road and it's just having a beautiful little stroll in this afternoon. And he got struck by this mean man. This is the car.
I don't think they really realized
They murdered the chicken.
because they're a truck that they were up so high.
Yeah.
If the chickens didn't try to fly.
Yeah, maybe.
I honestly thought it was gonna go right under.
Maybe you're right. But what, you had to swerve because.
Fly.
Oh.
I swerved just because I didn't want you to hear it going under the tire.
This is our beautiful view, though. This is a positive.
This is stunning. This bridge is just really
canopies.
cool. And the flowers and the trees.
We got some new products to try out. We'll do a thorough review about what works. Forgot to tell them what happened last night. Yesterday Taylor had 6. This morning, how many did you have?
I think I have around 30 now.
Yeah, and I have over 40, so this is really great. Oh, it does feel good. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go. So update, I'm really liking this lotion. It's pink everywhere, but
What is that?
it's really working. I'm a fan.
You can let the summer